Here's the end result from today. I filmed it earlier today saying that I was going to pull the transaxle and the motor out. Again, that's only 3, 6, 8 bolts, I believe. And when I do that, I'll take the rear suspension off. And I'll pretty much be left with this I-beam here. Goes up there. And 2 forks. It'll stop. And we're going to rebuild this thing. I'll sandblast it. I'll grind it down flat. I'm going to replace the metal that's irreplaceable that I can't weld to. Most of it's good. These 2 prongs right here and here are going to have to be replaced. This front piece so far looks solid, but I got more work to do on it. Let me know if you got any questions.